AC two-wire type sensors. So in case of AC two-wire type sensors, we will get two wires that we can use to wire electrically, brown and blue. The way we used for two-wire DC type also, we should not directly connect any two-wire sensor, may it be DC or AC, to the supply. Okay, when if the sensor is triggered, the supply brown and blue terminals may get short circuited and heavy current may flow, damaging the sensor. Hence, a two-wire sensor should not be connected directly to the supply. So, if we want to connect the sensor, we should always place a load in series with the sensor. So, either you can connect the load in series at the live side, or you can connect the load in series at the neutral side. In the setup, we have PRW30-15AO type inductive proximity sensor. It is a pigtail type connect sensor, means having a 0.5 meter cable with an M12 connector. 30 mm is the size of the size of the sensor. 15 mm is the sensing range of sensor, and it is AC two-wire type, and that also normally open. So we can't directly connect the sensor through this connector. We need a cable, a connector cable. So we are going to use CLA 2-2 here. This cable fits directly with this connector, as you can see in this image, and this cable then we can use it for wiring of the sensor. So let's see how this two-wire sensor is being wired up. We are having a live supply coming to the positive terminals of this terminal block. So all the red colors are common terminals having live signal, having live supply. The black terminals are neutral, and black terminals are all common, having neutral connection to it. So let's see how this sensor has been wired. We have wired up the brown color cable to the positive supply or the positive common terminals. Then the blue color cable of the sensor is going to the terminal 1 of the bulb, which is this yellow color wire, and the gray color wire, which is the other terminal of the bulb, is connected to the neutral supply. Thus, the sensor is connected in series. Okay. This sensor is normally open type, meaning if there is no object in front of the sensor is not triggered, the lamp will remain off, the circuit will remain open. But if an sensing object comes in sensing range of the sensor will become close and it will supply the current to the bulb and the bulb will glow. So let's see the demonstration. So let's turn on the power for the circuit. Now the live and neutral power has been supplied to the circuit and we can see the bulb is off and there is no object in front of the sensor. So it is a normally open type. You can also see the sensor PRW30-15AO. This has been used. I am setting the sensor at 1 centimeter reference. Let's bring in an sensing object in front of the sensor. The range of the sensor is 15 mm. I have brought in the object at 20 mm. Once the object comes nearby 15, we can see the sensor has triggered. It has closed the circuit and the bulb is on. Within the sensing range, bulb remains on. Once I go beyond again, outside the sensing range, which is beyond 15 mm, sensor turns off. The circuit opens and bulb turns off. Within 15 mm, the bulb turns on.